Whether you're a total beginner or a seasoned green thumb, these 10 gardening hacks will save you time, money, and frustration. Whether you're a total beginner or a seasoned green thumb, these 10 gardening hacks will save you time, money, and frustration. And the best part, they actually work. We tested every single one. Let's dive in. Cinnamon has natural antifungal properties. Cinnamon has natural antifungal properties. Just dust it on your soil to prevent damping off disease in seedlings, or apply it to fresh cuts on plants to prevent infection. It's cheap, safe, and it works like a charm. Going on vacation? This DIY drip irrigation system delivers water directly to the roots where plants need it most. It can keep your plants hydrated for days. Just poke holes, bury, fill, and go. Just fill it with water through the top opening. It's a game changer for containers and hanging baskets that dry out fast. Don't throw away those eggshells. Crush them up and scatter them around your plants. A diluted hydrogen peroxide solution adds extra oxygen to the soil, kills harmful bacteria and fungi, and helps prevent root rot. Used coffee grounds are packed with nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus, the big 3 nutrients plants love. They attract earthworms, improve soil structure, and many pests can't stand the smell. It looks a little funny, but it seriously works. Epsom salt is magnesium sulfate, and many garden soils are magnesium deficient. The super absorbent crystals inside baby diapers can hold hundreds of times their weight in water and slowly release it to plant roots. Stop throwing away those scraps. Green onions regrow in just a week. Celery, romaine, and even avocados can be restarted from kitchen scraps. Banana peels are loaded with potassium, which is the nutrient most responsible for flower and fruit production. Your roses and tomatoes will thank you. And there you have it, 10 hacks that are cheap, easy, and actually proven to work. You don't need fancy equipment or expensive products to have an incredible garden. Sometimes the best solutions are the simplest ones. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop your favorite gardening hack in the comments. I'd love to hear what works for you. Happy gardening!